New tonight, a heartwarming send-off for a Broken Arrow boy who suffers from a heart defect and will be going to Houston for surgery. 2 Works for You reporter Giselle Puente has more on this special event.
These are some of the faces of the children that Walmart's heart event has helped over the years, and today's special event was for CJ Oden. He is 4 years old and suffers from a heart disease, and he got to ride in this distribution truck and be a truck driver for a day. This little 4-year-old was welcomed with cheers and applause right from the start. Because this day was about celebrating CJ Oden and sending him off with a big smile before his 3rd heart surgery.
Unreal. Words can't explain how much it means to have this kind of support and getting CJ ready for this big surgery. So it's heartwarming.
Troy Oden and his son rode next to a veteran truck driver, part of Walmart's heart charity event. The convoy was led by OHP, Broken Arrow Police, and Fire. Family and friends trailed behind the 2-mile ride. Then when it came to a stop, the Broken Arrow High School band was waiting at another Walmart location to welcome CJ.
He is the happiest kid. Like, nothing can keep him down. He always has a smile on his face.
His parents say despite his medical complications, he's a fighter.
1, 2, 3.
At the end of the celebration, a balloon release wishing CJ well. CJ's parents tell me his surgery is coming up in 10 days. They'll be traveling to Texas Children's Hospital in Houston. We wish them the best. Reporting in Broken Arrow, Giselle Puente, 2 Works for You.